In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PHP on Cloudways. If your server is still running an older PHP version, this is one of the easiest ways to improve security, compatibility, and overall performance. On many hosting platforms, updating PHP can feel risky and technical, but Cloudways makes the process much simpler with a built-in upgrade option right inside the dashboard. I'll walk you through it carefully so you can do it with confidence and minimize the chance of downtime or compatibility issues. Before changing anything, the first thing you want to do is create a full backup of the server. Log into your Cloudways account, go to the servers area, and open the server you want to update. From the menu on the left, click Backups. In the On-Demand Backup section, select Take Backup Now. This creates a restore point for your files and databases, which is important in case a plugin, theme, or custom code doesn't behave properly after the PHP upgrade. Give that backup a few minutes to finish before moving on. Once your backup is complete, go back to the left side menu and open Settings and Packages. At the top of that page, click the Packages tab. This section shows the main software versions running on your server, including PHP and other services like the database engine and search tools. Take a moment to confirm the current PHP version so you know what you're upgrading from. Next, find the PHP row and open the version dropdown beside it. Choose the version you want to move to. In general, it's best to use the highest stable PHP version supported by your website or application. For many sites, that may be PHP 8.2 or 8.3. Newer versions usually deliver better speed, stronger security, and lower resource usage, but compatibility always comes first. So make sure your app, theme, plugins, or custom code support the version you select. After choosing your target version, scroll down and click Save Changes. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know the server processes may restart during the update. Approve the change and let Cloudways handle the rest. The platform will apply the new PHP version in the background, and this usually takes just a few minutes. When the update is finished, go to Applications, select your main website, open Application Settings, and then go to the Tools tab. Click Varnish Purge to clear any old cached content. After that, open your site in a fresh private or incognito browser window and test the important areas of the website. Check forms, carts, admin pages, and any key dynamic features to make sure everything is working normally. You can also review the monitoring section on the server to confirm the environment is stable. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.